name of the game is Ball Pyramid. The objective of the game is very simple. As you can see, we have 4 pieces. By using these 4 pieces, you need to build a pyramid on the less deeper side. We have 2 sides in this space. You have to build it on the less deeper side. Of course, all games have rules. The rules of the game are: you should build it on the lesser deeper side. And most important rules, use all the 4 pieces. Now, I'll give you 2 minutes. In these 2 minutes, whoever manages to solve the puzzle will get 500 points. How many are ready for 500 points? Now, coaches will distribute the puzzle. Anyone seen touching the puzzle before time will get disqualified. How many want to get disqualified? Careful, don't get disqualified. Three, two, one, and time. Everybody, please keep the puzzles.
Yeah.
Okay. How many want a clue? Yeah! Come on, everybody. Coach, please give me a clue. The clue is 4, 3, 2, 1. The clue is 4, 3, 2, 1. As I gave the clue, you will get only 1 minute and you will get 250 points. And your 1 minute time starts now. Three, 2, and time.
What is the learn? Observation. Friends, இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் இருக்கு. We're telling you அங்க தான் இருக்கு 4 3 2 1. See, if you wanted to put 1 2 3 4 போட்டுக்கலாம்ல. If you put 4 3 2 1, you have to observe more. If you observe more, you'll get it. வேற என்ன? What is 4 3 2 1? What is 4 3 2 1 or 1 2 3 4 னா என்ன? Ascending and descending number. Order, sequence, step. Learning steps. Learning. Are you ready for the steps? Yes. Shall we begin the steps? We are going to get into the steps of communication. Arambiklama.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. I need you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.